Alright guys, so I'm going to make a series of videos just to help you get through some of our tools that we're going to be using during our virtual learning. This one is going to go over your tile page, which is kind of like your home page when you open up the web browser. And it's also going to go over how to check your email and get into your Itslearning. Okay, so when you get on your computer, it is best that you use Chrome, your Google Chrome web browser, which is going to be the nice rainbowy bright colored circle here. If you don't have a tile down here, you can always search for it in your computer and you should be able to make it come up. If you have an HCPS device, then you should have already logged on to the device, and therefore when you open it up, you're going to be automatically on your tile page. If for some reason you're just on basic Google or something else, you can always just hit the home button and it will bring you to your tile page. If you are not on an HCPS computer, then when you log in or when you get on Chrome, you will need to type in this URL, start.hcps.org, and that will bring you to a login which will allow you to access your tile page. Your tile page will actually have a little bit less tiles on here, and you will see an attendance tile for virtual attendance that you will use every day of school to say that you were here. You shall also use your Office 365 tile. That's where you check your email in case you've never done that before. You will use your Itslearning tile every single day as well. Some of the other tiles you might use, Discovery Ed, ThingLink, Padlet, or your Holt. Those might be tools that your teachers might use throughout the virtual learning session. You also have access to your grades. Yours will say Home Access Center, not Teacher Access Center, but that will give you access to Hack, obviously. So those are going to be your main tile pages. As a reminder, if you've never checked your email for some reason, all you have to do is click the tile, and when you come in, you'll get to the Outlook page, and you'll just need to click Outlook to check your email. If you ever want to save or look at files that you've saved, you would click the OneDrive button. Or if you ever need to use any of the Microsoft 365 tools, you can access them right here from this page as well. You can also access Teams, which is where we'll be holding all of our meetings, through here, if you would like to do that as well. Itslearning, again, you would just click the tile. If you are logged in to an HCPS computer, then you will automatically get logged in, so you shouldn't have any problem. But if for some reason it should ask you to log in, then you log in as normal with your username and password. So for you guys, you will see all of your classes that you will be taking for the year. In this case, I only have one for all of my social studies classes, but you should keep all of your classes for the year up here in the starred courses. And if there happens to be anything that's old, you would want to unstar them like this, and then it would go to the bottom of other courses. So you could still access it if you want to, but it's not saved as like a one that you'll be using on a daily basis. Okay, so those just a quick video to get you where you need to be in your most used tiles.